Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing some more Ark Survival Evolved, and I see this Pteranodon landing, so I might try to tame this thing. One arrow. Get back here. No. No! He got away. Pteranodons are so hard to knock out. They're just really hard to knock out, but I think that's the one that I was trying to get. I think he's landing, but... Oh, he got away. I just saw a Pteranodon landing and I decided to start the episode because I thought I could be able to get it. Pteranodons are quick. How are you supposed to tame those things without them running away? Do you need like crazy archery skills with a crossbow or something? Because I honestly have no clue how to tame a Pteranodon. They're just really hard to tame. Well, if we can't find a Pteranodon, I might just try to tame a crocodile, but I don't know. So let's try to find a crocodile or a Pteranodon. Either one will do. But I would honestly prefer a Pteranodon so then I can ride around the island and just fly up to the mountain. Pteranodon, 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 Pteranodon. In the face. Did I get it? I knocked it out! I knocked it out! Yes. Okay, I'm getting a Pteranodon. I am getting a Pteranodon. Oh, I need food, I need food, I need food. Okay, do I have any berries on me for now? Let's just eat some seeds. Just eat some berry seeds. Hold me off. Come on, Nan. You know you want to be tamed. Oh, I think it's turning nighttime too. Oh no. Come on, dude. Wake up. Come on, man. Come on. It's a level 1. That's why I was able to knock him out so easily. Come on, dude, eat the food. Might have to put some narco berries in him. Come on, let your food go down. This dude is taking forever. Okay. Come on. It's probably the longest tame that I've had so far. Need more narco berries. Yeah, you need more narco berries. You need to keep him knocked out. I need to keep this dude knocked out. Oh, I am starving. I did not notice that. How did I not notice that I was starving? Okay, come on, man. Please get tamed, like, right now, please. Come on, dude. They might try to make, like, a little campfire around him. Where's a campfire? Yes! Okay, come on, dude. Let's go. Let's get home. Before anything else tries to kill me. Before anything tries to kill me. Okay, guys, I got a Pteranodon. I've got a Pteranodon. Yes, now I can fly around the island if I get a saddle for him. Just need a saddle and I can fly around the island with him. Yes. This is so good. Now I have a Pteranodon. Okay, come on, dude. Probably gonna die of hunger soon. Sit down, man. Come on, man, land. Come on. Okay, land over there if you want. Oh, I'm dying of hunger. It's not going down too quick. Probably cook some food by the time it's done. And still be alive, but I got a Pteranodon, guys. This is good. This is really good. This is good. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's get over here to protect my new Pteranodon. He's the newest member in the group. Okay, now, you guys be safe over here. I'm gonna go over here and cook some meat. And try to stay alive. Okay, I have meat already in here. Okay, this is good. I just might end the episode here. Okay, guys, I'm ending the episode here. And bye, guys.